In this video, I will be disassembling this 2024 Ford F150 LED headlight. Here is the part number on the light. This light uses the black glue that is very difficult to melt. I will begin by cutting off the rest of the lens. I've disconnected the lens from the light. The black bezel is connected to the front of the lens using Torx screws. The center light bar is connected using 4 T10 Torx screws. There are 3 T10 Torx screws holding the light bar to the LED heatsink. Next, I will unlock the upper headlight level adjuster. Next, I will unclip the lock. Next, I'll pry the lock off of the adjuster. With the lock clip removed, the adjuster will fall out. Next, I need to pop the main bracket off of the 2 center mounts. With the main bracket disconnected from the 2 center mounts, the wire harness is the only thing left holding it together. The main housing is now empty. The wire harness is now fully removed from the light. The upper and lower LED are each held in with 2 T10 Torx screws. The The lower reflector is held in by a simple clip on each side. The upper reflector is held in by 4 T10 Torx screws. The headlight is now fully disassembled. This is the middle LED for the light bar. The upper and lower reflector LEDs are the same. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.